Hey, welcome to my channel. This is a really exciting video because I finally got my Jaclyn Hill palette in the mail. Yeah, so, and the colors come in the back. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so I know I'm a little slow on jumping on the bandwagon, but I just got this in the mail like yesterday with my I bought a bunch of Morphe brushes. I'm so excited, like was so excited to use this. These eyeshadows, I'm not kidding you guys, are such good quality, like even better than the Morphe eyeshadows. Like they're so buttery, they're so creamy, they're very pigmented, there's like little to no fallout. So these eyeshadows were definitely created with a lot of care. Like I'm super happy I got this palette and I'm excited to do so many looks with it. So definitely comment down below, let me know if you guys want to see more looks using this palette. Worth it. I gouged this, I'm so upset. Yeah, these shadows are so beautiful, and I used about 5 or 6 of them, and I also used my new Morphe brushes that I got in the mail, and I created this look right here. So it's kind of like a half cut crease. I really like it. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and just hit that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so for my eyeshadow base, I'm gonna try this. I think this is an eyeshadow base. It's by xoxo. It's looks like this, called Vanilla. It even smells like vanilla. So I'm going to take that with just like a Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid for my eyeshadow base, and we're going to see, it smells so good, how that works. Wow. Sorry if you can hear the birds. I have an air conditioner in my room, so I can't really close the window, you know what I mean? That stuff's really pigmented. Whoa. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. So excited to be using this today. I have the fake one or whatever, the one from Amazon. It's not like the real fake one, like it doesn't have the Jaclyn Hill one part on it, but it's like, obviously, it's the Impressed You one. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna do like a comparison on them. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. Because the colors look, I'll tell you this, by looking at them, the colors look very similar. I'm not saying they apply the same, because they probably don't, but wow, oh, it's beautiful. So this is the back. It's got the 35 green colors. I'm sorry, I'm so excited to use this. And then it says, this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. I'm in heaven. Like all these warm tones right here. I think we're gonna stay in the warm section today because I love my warm tones. So, and I got some brand new Morphe brushes to use with it, along with it. So let's dive in. I'm just gonna set my lid with a little bit of translucent powder. This is by Marcel with my... I'm going to start off with the third color in, and this one is... oh my god, I just gouged it. I'm going to start in with this one, Silk Cream, right here. I can't believe I just gouged that. And I'm using M518 brush. So I'm just going to put this right in my transition area. Wow. Like look, I'm going to swatch this color for you. Like they're so buttery. I'll swatch this red one here. Look at that. They are so pigmented, so creamy. I'm so excited. Okay, so now that we got that color in, and I'm going to take butter this color right here with M441. These shadows are really, really buttery and creamy. I really love them. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to focus that a bit lower. And most of it is going to be on the outer. Wow, these are so buttery. Now I'm going to go back in with that same one and I'm just going to blend out this one a bit more. I'm going to take M573 with Pukey. Obviously it's called Pukey for obvious reasons. That's what she says. No. It's this one, Pukey, because I guess it looks, this one right here, I guess it's called Pukey because it looks like puke, and it really does. It reminds me of Uninterrupted by MAC. So we're going to take that with 573 and an M573. And we're just gonna focus that more on the outer corner, the outer V. It's like right here. And a bit lower. And you don't really need to use like all these brushes, but I'm just got them, so I'm kind of just testing them out. Okay, and then I'm going to use the R39. It looks like this. It's more, it's kind of like the, it kind of reminds me of like the MAC 217. And I think I'm going to take that with this red shade called Roxanne right here. And I'm definitely going to focus this on more like the outer V. Really pretty color. And I'm just going to go back in with that other color and just kind of blend it out. Because I'm going to take a bit of creamsicle and with M513, and I'm just going to put that on like the upper part to kind of make it blend better. Kind of like that. Then I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Hilster with M433 brush. And we're going to focus that on the outer V again. Wow, that's really pigmented. Wow. Just gonna blend that out a bit. My camera's gonna die. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna pull these off. I'm gonna be right back. Fucking camera's gonna die. Sorry, Mom, didn't mean to swear. Be right back. Now I'm gonna take this little tiny pencil brush. This is the R41, and I'm gonna take, the same colors that I did, so that's Silk Cream, and I'm gonna and I'm just gonna take that orangey color because I really like it. And Pukey. And a bit of that red. This one I didn't go down enough. So we're gonna take that same little brush, Real Techniques, and then we're gonna take that color from the swatche, that vanilla, and we're gonna cut a crease out. Wow, this is really good to cut your crease out with. And I'm gonna set it with the second color right here. I'm gonna set my lid with that. And this is just kit brush from XOXo. Oh, that's shimmering, and I did not know that. Wow. Holy moly, that's pigmented. Then I'm gonna take that red here. I think this one is, I'm gonna take Hunt's right here with a M513, and now I'm just going to and then I'm going to take that Roxanne right underneath of it, the darker one. I think that one would probably look a bit better. And then I'm going to take the yellow, that yellow creamsicle right here. I'm going to take creamsicle, and I'm going to kind of sandwich the two in between. I'm going to take that with an R34 brush. This is from the Rose Gold line. Whoa. Okay, so then I'm going to take the super skinny marker. This is by NYX. Okay, instead I'm going to take Milani. It's a Supreme Kohl eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. Oopsie. Okay, this is the Bad Girl Lash. I think I've used this before. Or I think this is a new one actually. By Benefit, it looks like that. So, this is that big fat one. Oh, it's new. Nice. Bad Girl Bang. Wow, look at that. So we're gonna test this out by Benefit. It feels really heavy. Like, really heavy. So. Sorry if you hear stuff outside. Wow, this stuff works so good. Do your bottom as well. Wow, it makes them so long. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my makeup, like my face, and put some demi wispies on, and I will be right back. that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!